Peter goes to school. Good morning, Peter. How are you? Grab your backpack. It's time for school. Hi, Peter. Hi, Peter. How are you? I like your backpack. Your shirt is cool. It's fun at school. We write our names, we write our numbers, we play fun games. Point to the colors, point to the shapes, point to the letters. Peter is great. Let's peek behind the red. Let's see what's behind the orange. What's behind the black? Ooh. Let's look at some shapes. Let's see the alphabet page. A is for apple, B is for ball, and P is for Peter. Hi, Peter. After lunch, whoops, we have to have lunch first. Missed a page. It's time for lunch. Peter gets his tray. What's he having for lunch? He's having fun. And after lunch, it's time to play. Whee! What else will Peter do today? What else is in our plan? Dress up, music, art class, sand, iPad, toy cars, Play-Doh in a can. We wash our hands, we wash our face, we put our toys all back in place. Oh my goodness, day is done. Good night, Peter. That was fun. This book is dedicated to Peter and all of the children, past, present, and future, of the J.J. Flynn Elementary School.